Hello, this is a project on colored LED lighting using power line communication. So basically what we are doing in this is controlling the lights in the room, and we can change the colors, intensity, and we can address any bulb, and we can control it using this interface that we will place in the switchboard. So the input can be given, input has three controls. First is color, second is intensity, and third is addressing. So color is using hand gesture. As we will bring our hand in front of that, it will change the color, and whatever color we need to light in the room, it will set it accordingly. Intensity can be controlled using knob. As we will increase that knob control, it will increase intensity of the bulbs, and we can address any switch, address any bulb using the switches. So we can control this bulb and change its color, or that bulb, and so the transmitter is to convert this data at 90 kilohertz, and that we are sending it on the power line, and we have a receiver that will isolate the power line from this data, and that is decoded, and accordingly the bulbs light. So hello again, this is the transmitter side. Now I'm going to control the color and intensity. So like when I bring my hand close to this, the color gets changed, and as suppose I want red color, so I will remove my hand and it will set the red color here. And the receiver side is there, as you can see, the red color is showing. So this is for the color control, and I can also control the intensity, like when I will change the knob, intensity will dimming, and now it goes off. Again, the intensity is increased. So this is the basic transmitter side section. This is for coding the data, and this is for transmitting the data to the power line. And this power line is connected to this switch, and this and that receiver at the other end is on the same phase. So this data is transferred at 90 kilohertz, and that is received at that receiver, and they will decode them. So this is the receiver section. We are receiving that signal from there, from that power line, and that we are feeding into the circuit. So basically this is the main crux of the PLC. This is the LC tune circuit, and these are the band pass amplifiers that receive the signal, and as PLC has a lot of noise, we need that this should convert, this should only take out 90 kilohertz, and then we decode that data from this section, and this LED shows that PLC communication is coming on. This blinks as one changes the data from there, and as one of my friends is changing the data, the colors are changing. And so these are the RGB lights that are controlled from there, and we can also control intensity of these lights. And also, if we place like 4 of such lights in a room, I can manually control any light, change its color, and it will not affect any other light in that time.